Good morning, guys. Let's take inspiration from this wonderful landscape of Australia. I was thinking about the next project to build with React. How about building something like this, like a node, a ring of nodes, say this one, right? Like an hexagon, or the number of nodes can be variable, and we will make these nodes interactive. So when we go over a node, we'll sort of highlight it, and some information will be displayed here on the right about the node itself. And when we go over a node, when we activate it, we will display also a list underneath here. And when we go over one of the elements of a list, we're going to display additional information of this item itself. So this can be the UI interface for something like the nodes of a network. Let's say that they could be like Wi-Fi nodes, the Wi-Fi networks available in your current location. Could be all your neighbors Wi-Fi plus your own one. And this one could be the wave came, goodbye Wi-Fi. Anyway, and here we would have the devices connected to that Wi-Fi. Well, you got the idea. Let's get back to the code.
All right, so let's do everything from scratch. Let's open our beloved VS Code. The way I like to structure this project is to have a Docker container so that we can have a portable environment in all computers we want to run it. So the first thing I do is pasting the Docker compose file, which will set up the folders and the volumes that we need, even if the project is not too complex. I like to show you a little bit of more complex setups that you might find in the real world. So let's create a subfolder called React, and inside this one, something like with the source, and here we will have the Docker file. Boom. So what's in this stuff? In the Docker file, we will add the node. Usually you just have node for running React frontend like that, but I'm adding also all these line required for Cypress, which should be the end-to-end testing. And with these packages, we can basically install the graphical libraries that are required for the Electron Chromium to run. So the Chrome will run inside the Docker. It's a little bit tricky, but it's gonna be nice how it all the result of this setup, hopefully. And then we can add a couple of folders. One is volumes, and the other one Cypress cache. Cypress cache. This is because when Cypress is installed, it's gonna save it, the whole thing, which is quite big, inside a temporary folder. We don't want to lose it every time we restart the container. So boom, we have this. Let's see if it works. Docker compose build. No. He's not finding the Docker file because he's supposed to be inside the subfolder React. So now I moved it, and let's build it. Cool, he's happy. Now let's run it. Okay, we should have the container running somewhere, and the way I like it, the way I like to do development to do is inside the container itself, so we can attach the Visual Studio Code to the container. Another window is open. This one we can close it or move it. So now the cool thing is that when I open the terminal, we are inside the container, of course. So this is the container, right? We can take advantage of the fact that we are in a separated environment, and we will be able to install React from here with the npm. So to install React today, we want to use the Vite. So React with Vite. This is the command npm create Vite latest. Although we want to probably change folder and go inside the app. So we need to open the app folder. Yes. We are here. Create with latest. Proceed. Let's call it the mighty widget. Why not? React is the flavor of the day. TypeScript. And we have the mighty widget npm run dev. Probably I should pass this additional parameter as I'm inside a container. The Vite not found. Oh, I forgot to install, of course. pme pmi. Thinking. Nice. Let's run it. Cool. Working. Perfect. Okay. So first thing, let's clean this guy. Right. Let's say ciao. Awesome, it's working. Remove the state. Remove that. With Alt-Shift-O, we can clean the thing. Probably we're gonna use SCSS in a couple of sec. Actually, yeah, let's use it right now. What does it want? We need to install usually it tells you to install SCSS somewhere. Oh, you have to rename it so that it's gonna trigger something internally. Here we go. pm install blah blah blah. Yes, please. It's 2025, so why should we use CSS, right? Let's run it. Wunderbar. I got CSS.